learning. Until now, we have discussed how to create the parent class, how to create the child class, and how to inherit the properties of parent class to the child class. But we haven't defined any methods or parameters to our child class, right? We have just defined an empty class. So now let us remove the past statement and go and create the body for the child class. Now I am creating the method init, the same method which we have used in our parent class, and I will use the same parameters. Yeah. Now let us define some body to the init method of parent class and also to that of child class. Okay. Print init method of parent class. And also let us do the same for the child class. Print init method of child class. Yeah. Now we have created a method, the initialization method for our child class, and also have created some body to our init method of parent class and also to that of child class, right? Now let us run the program. Yeah. Only the init method of child class has been called. We didn't got the init method of parent class, right? So here the init method of child class overrides the init method of parent class. This is called method overriding. When you define the method of same name to both the parent class and child class, the method in the child class overrides the method in the parent class. This is called method overriding, okay? Now if you want to keep your init method of parent class safe, you can give the name of the parent class and give your method now with this parameters: self, breed, and color. Now hopefully the both methods should run. Let us see. Yeah. Firstly, the init method of child class has been called, and next the init method of parent class has also been called, right? In this way you can keep your methods of parent class safe. Instead of using the name of the parent class, you can also use the super keyword. And for super keyword, you do not need any self parameter. I'll run it again. Yeah, both classes have been called. Both the methods of both classes have been called with super keyword, right? So this is all about inheritance. In the next video, let us discuss about the different types of inheritance. We have single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, etc. So let us discuss clearly about each of them. Okay. Until then, bye-bye. Subscribe my channel for more Python videos. I have Python programs to learn Python from the beginner stage and also to not get bored. Okay. You can learn the concepts by writing different kinds of programs. And also, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Reach me out in the comment section if you have any doubts. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.